All right, we're a minute in. Um, I think we can go ahead and get started. So, welcome everybody. This is, I don't know if this is our third or fourth, Brad, monthly kind of open dev slash working session.
hmm
Happy to have everybody. There's 40 people hopping in. All right. I think, yeah, it was the event announcement. Sweet. Cool. All right. So, for those of you who haven't joined us before, what Brad and I typically have just a kind of a group development session every week, and in there we just choose something to work on together for fun, um, and we decided recently to start doing these sessions once a month publicly, so you guys can kind of see the development process, how if you will, the sausage is made kind of thing. So today, Brad and I discussed earlier, and we decided we're working on team deathmatch. So as you're all aware, we have Surge, which is a three-way team battle. So that's already working. We thought, why not add team deathmatch as well? It's very similar to Surge, except there's going to be two teams, and instead of turning in tags for points, you're just going to get points for kills. So um, I started working on this earlier this week. I have the ability to launch this level with the game mode team deathmatch set. So I'll launch it with two players, and I already have it working where you'll get a team select. I can select blue team on one side, red team on another side, and then I can get a kill, and it'll show up in the HUD there. And then red team, I can get a kill on blue team, or I can kill blue on the red team, and now red team's there. So most of the bones are there. I have a couple things I want to clean up on this session today. First off, if you noticed, the kill feed, the colors weren't correct. So I'll show you one more time. I want to clean up the kill feed. So yeah, I saw yellow and red, even though red was the one who killed blue. So let's go ahead and fix that really quick. Should be pretty simple. Let's see. So there's a death ability that's specific to team deathmatch. This logic gets called, and in here where we add points to their team, that's fine. The score is fine. I need to find where the kill feed logic is called. Is it here? No. Oh, maybe it's in the player death general. Player death general. So this gets called first, which is every single game mode has this common death logic, which ragdolls the character, calls some functions, and then afterwards we call a game mode specific respawn ability. So every game mode handles respawn slightly differently. So I was just in the respawn for team deathmatch, but let me check the general. And I believe post on game feed on the server here is where we are calling the logic to populate the game feed. So what's happening here? Update game feed. It's a kill. Maybe I'm not passing in the I'm not passing in the team ID. Input.
Still have it though from the last damage buy. They should have.
Yeah, you're right. The last damage should be set already on hit. So then here, let's see. Let me just see. Are we? I think we're going through the valid route here, and I just need to probably hook up some of this. Let's take a look. Okay. Killer is red team, victim is blue team. This is correct. Have a feeling I know what's going on now. It's
I
probably
think in the
Surge.
in the widget we never, because in Surge it's not color coded, right, by teams.
Well, in Surge, first team is 0 index is red and first index is yellow. That might be what's going on.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah.
Okay. How do we fix this? I don't want to be I want to continue passing in the index value and not passing on a color for the team. Maybe I need to create a game feed line per game mode, or I need to
like switch on.
Killer's name, victim's name. This is all fine. Well, first off, let me just verify that it is just using the Surge colors. So blue team is index 0. Red team is index 1. If blue team kills red team,
Yellow.
yeah, so it's 0 kills 1, which is red kills yellow in Surge, but it should be blue and.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's what's going on now. What's the best way to fix this is the real question.
Could you just change the team indexes to 1 and 2 instead of 0 and 1? Blue is 2.
Yeah, let's do that. That might be that might be the lazy way to do this, but I think you're right. Okay,
Otherwise, you could do like an enum for game type and switch on game type and.
All right, so team select pop up here. Blue team first card is always going to be 2, and red team is 0. The issue though is on the random, I'm choosing a random integer between 0 and 1. So that's a problem.
I thought 0 was yellow.
No, 0 in Surge is mud, which is red. So 0 and 2 Oni. But then now that creates a problem for the random.
Yeah, it does.
So I don't think this is the right solution, but let's just make sure. I think this will work. But then the random function is going to be broken.
Mm-hmm. Red kills blue.
Wait, that seemed backwards. It gave a point to blue. Oh, yeah, that's because the score still thinks, yeah, the scoreboard still is using 0 and 1 for blue and red,
Yeah.
but the widget was correct, the game feed. So let's take a step back. I don't think this is the right play.
Yeah. No.
Okay, so let's go back to this game feed line. Yeah, the problem is this is hard coded here. Ugh.
Yeah, I think you're gonna have to do some kind of switch on game mode.
Yeah, the thing is, I don't want to be getting. Well, first off, I don't have the on clients. I don't have access to the game mode. It's gonna return no.
I'm thinking you could just create like an enum for different game modes and then pass that enum in as a variable when you spawn this
Index.
and then switch on that.
Pass an enum to the game feed.
Yeah.
Actually, so here's what. First off, we want to add some initialization here. We want to set the colors or set. Oops. Let me undo that real quick. What is this? Common text style. I was thinking red.
Why are we?
Go ahead.
Why do we do gold in search when you kill somebody instead of just doing colors?
It's Ooster is yellow. What do you mean?
Oh yeah. You're right. You're right. Booster's yellow.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to initialize this game feed, which this is created in widget blueprint player HUD. Right now, we're gonna be moving into the game mode HUDs, but for now it's here. Somewhere in the construct. Somewhere here we need to initialize that, I think. Or in here on construct. All right, so I can get the game state and I can store some sort of information in the game state that can tell me the color orders, I think.
Mm-hmm.
But what's the format of that structure? What should I store on the game state?
Yes.
Like a map of
It
index
could be a
0
map.
red.
Yeah, a map with the team and the. You could just
Red.
pass directly in the text style. A map of team index to text style.
text style, but
Yeah.
and then in each game state, I populate that map with
Mm-hmm.
with these things right here.
Yeah.
What is this? What are these? These are
It's basically
these
just a
are
color. It's like a
common
font.
UI.
Yeah. It's like the font, text size and color and all that stuff.
Okay, so then what I would be doing is I'd be getting the game state here, and it would have a map of indexed text styles.
Mm-hmm. And you
Um,
pass that map into the line.
and then I'd pass that. I'd add another spawn parameter with the map.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, let's do that. So for now, let's just cast to team deathmatch, and I'll load this up to code later, so that I'm not compiling for like in front of everybody. So SA or GS team deathmatch. Okay, so in GS team deathmatch, create a new variable here. Let's make it a
So yeah,
integer map to text style.
Yeah, I think it's common text style right there.
Which one? We want a class reference?
Yes.
Okay, so then here I'm going to add 2.
I think you have to populate the first one before to let you add a second one.
Okay, so let's go back to the game feed line here and copy red or blue, sorry. I'll just do that. Okay, so now 0 is mapped to blue, and I gotta compile probably. What the heck?
Oh, you have to do, it's dumb. You have to do one first. So just put that to number 1, and now it'll
That is
let
the
you add a
engine bug.
second. Yeah, it is. It's dumb.
Okay, so kill feed red. Okay. Check out, rename. This is called team to game feed style map. Okay, and now I can have access to that team to game feed style map. I need to pass this. I need to create that exact same thing. Here, I need a variable, integer map common text style class reference. Save. Let's expose this on spawn. Man, I thought this was going to be easy. Refresh nodes. Why isn't it there?
Um, Oh, and check the eyeball. There. Instance editable.
This guy, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Good call.
You name it something.
Thanks. Rename. No. Rename.
Text to, or yeah, team.
Index. Team. Index. To style. Boom. Okay. Almost there. I need to pass this in, obviously. And in the future, I want this in C++, so I'm not assuming we're playing team deathmatch. Okay. So now I can pass in the game feed line, the game states styling guidance. If I go back to game feed line, I gotta get this. How do I? Oh, I always forget map function.
Yeah, you want the values. And then get.
Thank you. Oof, I need to do it all over the place. I wonder if I can make this a pure function.
That'd
No,
be
I
nice.
can't. I can't because this requires execution.
Mm.
Actually, let me try. Add a function. Get style from team index. Pass in a team index. Oops. Can I do this? And then fetch style. Class reference. Can I make this a pure function? Yes, I can.
Can you plug in that team index?
Thank you. That would have been annoying. Okay, now since I use it all over the place, now I can do this. Oh, that feels good. Okay. I love pure functions. Okay. I'll have to remember to fix surge. Why is this one like this? Kind of weird. Actually, this isn't even relevant to. Nah, that's fine. Like Team Deathmatch doesn't use player points, but
Mm.
I will have to come back and do this anyway, so might as well do it now. And then last one is up here. If you just fall off the map without anybody shooting you, this one happens. Okay. Test it, I think. Oh, it's 20 minutes. That was supposed to be like a 5-minute fix turned into a 25-minute fix. People wonder why things take so long sometimes. All right, here we go. So we should get the correct colors.
That was
I think that was
backwards, right?
This is red team. Yeah, the problem is that's backwards right now. So,
yeah.
So good news is the game feed's fixed, but now this HUD is actually, is the HUD backwards? What do you think?
It sure looked like it, right?
So on the view model, it's setting the score changed and on team scores changed. Oh, it's right here. Zero is blue and 1 is red. Did I do it backwards on the game feed? 0 is blue and 1 is red.
Yeah, that's right. Huh.
Wait a second, why is it backwards?
Oh, go back.
Where?
Just want to check. To the widget you were just at.
The
The game feed line. Second
Where?
to last tab up there,
Oh, right here.
I think. Yeah, are you pulling off the right killer ID and victim ID? Is that correct?
I didn't change it.
Yeah.
Killers.
Killer ID.
Let's see what's going on. Okay, so this screen is going to be red, which is 0. Oh no, this screen is blue, which is 1. And this is 0.
Just
Okay,
blue.
so blue, 1. Red. Man, I need to lower the music. This is annoying. Let me do that real quick. Okay, sorry about that. I'm assuming you guys can hear the game sound.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's better. Yeah, so in the feed, or was it this one? Killer's ID was this was passing in red when it should have been blue. So it's backwards. And I'm trying to understand.
Yeah.
And we just checked the
It
well,
wasn't showing like the.
Go ahead.
Maybe put a breakpoint inside the function so you can make sure it's giving you the right team ID. Yeah, it's weird.
Did I change player death? Maybe I had to change this. No, let's just do a breakpoint here. Let's start at the beginning. What's being passed to all this logic? Okay, blue team and red team. Blue's gonna kill red. Okay, right here. So killer blue should be 1 and victim should be 0. So am I setting? I wonder if I'm backwards on the widget to begin with. I'm pretty sure blue is 1. Oops. And red is 0. I think that was it. I think we're done now.
Cool.
Yeah, it was the widget. Okay. Blue killed red. Red got a point. Blue needed to get a point. And then, Jesus, okay. Red killed blue. Okay, so we're almost there. Now the HUD is backwards. So this is 1 and this is 0. Blue is 1. No. Wait a second.
Blue is 0.
Is blue 0 or blue 1? Let me go back to the widget.
Blue is 0.
Blue, first card, is 1. Red, second card, is 0 because we're going off of, yeah, because Surge started out with. So if I go back to the widget, blue is 1 and red is 0. Okay, I think that was it. Oof. All right.
Mm.
Yep.
Yeah, just because the blue card's on the left, you think it's 0-1.
Yeah. I mean, to be honest, red. Yeah, we're good now.
Kill blue. Yep.
Okay. All right. Let's move on to spawning. Let's open up gateway.
Mm.
I don't think I changed that, but I'll save it anyways. Okay. I think last thing we wanted to fix was spawning and respawning in the correct locations.
Mm-hmm. That's gonna be something.
Well, these things. Red team.
I think the test map would Because the map.
Oh, it's
Oh,
set
we
to
don't have
search.
the team mode, right?
Yep, we
Game
need to
mode.
override this to team deathmatch. Blue team. Blue team. Red team. Red
Nice.
team. All right. So we got spawn. Now we need to get kills. Just the last thing in the last 8 minutes. We need to make it so that if you die, you respawn at the correct location. So recall that there's a player death. Man, I need to save all this stuff. Except for the map.
Well, you do want to save the
save
tags.
The spawn. I'm gonna save that. I just want to make sure I don't save the map with
the
team
game mode.
deathmatch. But to be honest, it shouldn't matter because we're working on setting the game mode depending on the match settings.
Mm-hmm.
But when you host the match, where was I? So GA player team deathmatch. After you add points to the other team, you need to teleport to your team base. And this, we don't need to do this anymore. All we need to do is teleport to team base server. Has authority. Let's only call this on the server. Teleport to team base. I think that's it.
It's just that easy, folks.
Yep, it is. All right. Am I missing anything there? In pawn. Yep, I am missing. To be honest, I don't need this. Yeah, owning after. Or actually, it's right here. Okay. All right, moment of truth, last thing.
Hold on to your butts.
Mhm. Blue team. Red team. Let's go kill that blue guy. Oops.
Get that dirty blue blood.
Mm-hmm. Worked. They spawning back at blue base.
The red revenge.
All right. Works.
Sweet.
And now Team Deathmatch is ready to go. Now we just need to set up the different levels with the spawn points, and then we probably want to change the decals on those buildings, but that's for another day.
Nice.
4 minutes to spare.
Whoo.
Anything I'll put you on the spot here, Brad. Anything you want to sneak peek or share before we hop off? While you work on some fun stuff. Anything we can show? Last time we showed the Duplo Tufas.
There's stuff I can show. I don't know if there's stuff I should show. I mean,
Like,
that's
what are you thinking?
like any of the Gallia stuff.
Yeah, let's do it. I mean, it's not like it's a huge.
Oh,
People have seen some footage.
I
It's pretty
can't.
similar.
I can't stream. Remember?
Can I open it?
Yes. Gallia demo.
Maybe
It
I won't
probably.
PIE, but I'll just run
Yeah.
around. Let's show the
So,
Starbase maybe.
yeah.
Just take. It's my first time loading this map, so it might take a second.
Yeah. When's Bitcoin gonna hit 100K? Any day now.
Bro. Look at this. Solana's nearly at all-time highs. 260 is all-time high. Bitcoin's at 98.3. I mean, obviously, it's making all-time highs like almost daily now.
Mm-hmm.
That's really exciting.
It is.
I hope everybody has some bags, like I know I do. I hope this doesn't take too long. I want to show something before I have a meeting at 2 o'clock, so I gotta hop. If anything, we might tomorrow's sneak peek video and the foundation room sneak peek, so we can post it.
Yeah.
But not everybody has access to that, so it'd be nice to do a quick sneak peek here. I'm wondering if it's just one person can stream at a time, and if I stop streaming, maybe you can stream.
I couldn't do it before you started streaming either.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know.
Is there a
I
video?
could last time. I don't know. There's that one video that of me going in the hangar. You could show that.
Okay, let me pull that up. Send it in our DMs. Loads. Okay. Well, I guess this will be the sneak peek. So don't mind the messed up gravity. We're working on that, but this is I'll just preface the video with this is a new Gallia demo level that we're working on, where we want players to spawn in a starbase hangar, be able to spawn a ship, and then fly around a sector. So we're trying to get that all working in a clean way. Again, the gravity is something we're aware of. We'll work on that. But so Brad's inside a starbase hangar right now, and he's gonna spawn I believe we're spawning a lobby here.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that one. Ship gravity there. And something exciting is you were working on origin rebasing, which will fix this VFX issue that we're having, or at least that's the goal. So we're aware of that too, and we're working on fixing that. And the issue for those watching is the maps are so large, the coordinates are massive values, and the Niagara system that drives those thruster plumes is not handling the large coordinate changes very well. So what we're doing is we're going to be using what's called world origin rebasing, which means that we'll rebase the localized coordinates of these actors to 0 again. So that way the precision errors won't be present in the VFX there. But yeah, there's our new there's a star-based model in engine now, and yeah, Brad was flying around. You have the ability to fly around to these planets. You've seen in the past videos, you're able to fly down to the surface with no loading screens. So yeah, I think that's our little sneak peek for today. We might post a better video of this tomorrow. So cool,
yeah,
guys.
Environment's currently working on that hangar, making it. That hangar's like I did that. That's why it looks terrible. But Environment's sprucing it up.
Yep,
make it look
100%.
good.
All right, well, I gotta hop. It's been great. Thanks all for joining. Love having these monthly sessions. Yeah, thanks. We'll see you guys again in December for the next one.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Yep, thanks, Brad, for joining me.
See you guys around.
Cheers, everybody. Bye.
Later.